friends, my name is Hasset. This is Ethio-Akukulu and fun. Today I'm gonna present for you wild and domestic animals. Wild animals live in the jungle. Sometimes they keep in the zoo. Some of them are meek, others are furious. Meek wild animals do not harm people. Furious wild animals are dangerous. They may hurt you. Lions, tigers, and foxes are furious wild animals. Rabbits, deers, and zebras are meek wild animals. Domestic animals. Domestic animals live in and around our houses. They live in pieces with people in pieces. Some of them use as food. They are friendly with people. Goats, chickens, sheep, and oxes are domestic animals. They are used as food. Dog protects people from danger. Horse and donkeys carry people and things.